Hi, I'm Courtney. I'm 27 and I'm from South London. Nike is my staple for life. But I think it's more of an Air Max thing for me. Basically, when I was younger, I used to see my cousin and everyone else around me in these mad crepes that I couldn't afford or even get into my size. So when I got of age and my foot grew to size 6, that was it. I just started buying crepes and never looked back. Buy what you like, because if you buy what you like, you're always gonna be in it for you. So, like I said, just do you. Like, that will make you happy.
I love sneakers.
Thank God for discount.